Namaste children, welcome back. Today I am going to explain law of dominance experimentally. See what Mendel has done, in the same way I am going to explain. Okay, this is called monohybridization. Hybridization means crossbreeding of two different varieties to get a new variety. Okay, so and in the previous class we discussed, in the online class we discussed that how a plant can be made, a bisexual plant can be made into a female plant or a male plant. Emasculation will be done, we discussed. Okay, so in monohybridization, mono means single, okay, only one trait if we consider, then this is called monohybridization. So for example, here he took one tall plant, pure tall plant, and a pure short plant. So pure tall plant will be represented as capital T, and the small plant, the short plant will be represented as small t. Okay. And here he considered this as male plant and this as a female plant. What is this male plant and what is female flower? We discussed. Emasculation will be done. So for female plant, emasculation, the trimming of anthers in the bud condition, that he will do so that that plant will convert into female. Means male character is removed, the stamen is removed, so that only the pistil will be there. Stigma, stele and ovary will be there. And here everything will be there, there is no issue. Here, now in genetics, how we will represent male and female, I am going to show the symbols. Male will be represented in this way. This is male, and female will be represented in this way. Okay, this is female and this is male. Symbols you remember. Now this condition is called diploid condition. Here I mentioned, you see, diploid condition and haploid condition. So these two things first you must know. Without knowing this, we cannot continue the lesson. What do you mean by diploid? The paired condition of chromosomes are called diploid condition. For example, in our body we have 46 chromosomes. Okay, how many chromosomes we have? 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes are in 23 pairs. They are in pairs. So this paired condition is called diploid. Okay, so where this paired condition of chromosomes will be present, each and every cell, this paired 23 pairs. So where these 23 pairs of chromosomes are present, they are present in each and every cell of our body. That is called all somatic cells. All somatic cells. We have two types of cells, somatic cells and germ cells. In 9th class we discussed. So somatic cells means all the body parts except the reproductive organs. All the cells will have 2n. This diploid will be considered as written as 2n or 2x. Don't confuse. The chromosomes in each and every cell of our body will be in diploid condition. Diploid will be represented as 2n or 2x. 2n or 2x. Right? Next, in our reproductive organs, meiosis takes place. Meiosis means reduction division. Because of reduction division, what happens? The chromosomes will become unpaired. So unpaired condition of chromosomes is called haploid. Haploid means unpaired condition. So this unpaired condition, 8th class you learnt, and 10th class in the how do organisms reproduce also you learnt. What 23 chromosomes will be present in sperm and 23 chromosomes are present in egg. So how these 23 chromosomes and 23 chromosomes have developed? The paired condition became unpaired, the meiosis took place and these cells formed. Now this condition is called a haploid condition. Okay, unless until the cell becomes haploid, and haploid, again this haploid and this haploid both will fuse and 46 chromosomed zygote will form. You know this very well. Simply I am explaining once again. Okay, now what I have done here, I represented diploid condition of our plant reproductive organs. This is stamen, this is a pistil or ovary. Now in this reduction division takes place, what will form? This germ cells will form. What is the male germ cell? Pollen grain. What is the male germ cell? Pollen grains. And here what is the female germ cell? Ovule, or you can call egg. Okay. Now, so how to represent this? This we will represent as capital T, like this. Okay. And this one will be represented as small t, small t. So what is this condition? N condition. What is this condition? N condition. This is what condition? 2n condition. I think you are understanding what I am mentioning here. Okay. Next. So in this cross pollination, into means cross pollination. So cross pollination will be done. Then what happens? The pollen grains may fall on this stigma or ovule and fuse. In this way it will form. Right. This will fuse and form capital T, small t. Right. Now, how they will, the physical appearance of these plants will be tall. Will be tall. All plants appeared tall. So this generation will be called as F1 generation. F1 generation. Now once again, see, first what did he take? Capital T, a tall plant. Small t, a dwarf plant. So here why we called this as monohybridization? Only one trait he mentioned. What is this one trait? The length of the stem. What is the trait? Length of the stem. Whether it is tall or short. So tall plant he took it as male plant and a short plant he took it as female. So tall plant is produced capital T gametes. Small plant produced small t gametes. So this gamete and this gamete, if it fuses, capital T small t and capital T small t. So two plants. Example here we are showing in a diagrammatic representation. So what is this physical appearance? How they appeared? All plants are tall. Then Mendel got a doubt. What doubt he got? What happens to my short quality? What happened? This doubt he got. Then what did he do? Let us see.